Welcome back to Under Oath. I'm your host, Attorney Jeff Kaufman. Sitting next to me is my very talented friend.
Thank you.
James John.
Thank you. And I love being here.
You know, we both do stand-up.
Yeah.
You do more than I do.
Mm-hmm.
I was just on stage, had 9 people who let's just say the pudding crowd, the applesauce gang.
Yeah.
You know,
the silver hairs, if you will.
silver hairs who aren't there to laugh. They're just there to get out.
Yeah,
and
they
I
are.
understand it's important to get out.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be old and I'll want to get out too.
Yes.
But I won't sit in the front row of a comedy club with this one. What did he say? What did he say?
Uh-huh.
I was furious the other day.
I
had
bet you were.
And I knew I was in trouble
Uh-huh.
because I follow the James John School of Comedy. I go out early and talk to people
Yes.
at the table to endear myself to them.
Correct.
And I'm like, how are you guys doing? What? Are you here to take our order? No, I'm your comedian tonight. He said, what? I'm your comedian tonight. What? You're here for comedy. And he looks over at his wife. Is that what we're here for? And they come every Saturday night.
Yeah, I heard that.
I found out this group comes every Saturday night.
Really?
And I asked the guy, do they laugh?
No.
No, they just, this is their night out.
Mm-hmm.
He couldn't understand me when I was a foot from him.
That's bad.
And half the other people weren't either. I'm going, what is going to happen when I'm on stage 3 feet from them?
Correct.
Are they going to get it then?
No.
No.
And I know what you telling the truth because I've been there before. Yeah.
You can't sit in the front row.
No.
And one is interpreting my jokes.
Oh my gosh, no.
Oh, this is what he said. He said he made fun of the black man. I didn't make fun of any black man. Why would you say that?
I heard it too. I heard it. Yeah.
I'm
he
like going,
did.
first off, I'm Jewish. I didn't make a joke. It was a Jewish joke. How does that become a black man joke? I had to defend the joke.
That's funny.
And it wasn't like she got up and was offended at me.
No.
She was just interpreting my joke like it was in a different language.
Correct.
Okay, this is the deal. I have a feeling he doesn't like the blacks. No,
The fact you keep saying the blacks.
I didn't say that. Oh my God.
I love Florida.
And I'm a firm believer that black people love nothing more than to sit there and watch a white person defend them.
Oh, we love it. It's it is chef kiss.
Thank you.
Wow.
Without you, I don't know how I would have got up this morning.
If you ever want to learn anything about racism, ask a white woman. She knows everything. That is offensive, okay?
I knew I was good when the table behind it was going.
Yeah. Man.
I would love to be able to say I'm black.
What?
I would love it. I so badly want to be black. I do.
This is a clip, by the way.
I do.
I'm looking at our producer. This is a clip.
I am identifying now.
As black?
Yes.
Wow.
I'm going to do it.
Well, as a black person,
I want to.
Welcome. First
Yes,
off,
thank you.
for being here. What's the first thing you want to do as a black person?
Move into somebody's neighborhood and have them bitch.
You want them to be. You want the cops called on you?
Do you have kids?
Do you live here?
You speak really good. Thank you.
You're very well spoken.
I would love,
That's hilarious.
There's a lot of humor in our differences.
Correct.
I mean,
and nothing wrong with exploring that. I love that, by the way.
I did something in my last show.
Uh-oh.
And I did it because of this crappy show I did.
Okay.
Where in the middle of the show, I realized this whole group didn't understand a word I was saying.
And they're not going
I
to.
couldn't have done anything. And I go, you know what? George Wallace taught me this one.
I love George.
George Wallace is a great comedian. He goes, let me explain this. I do $200 shows and I do $30 shows. You the $30 show, so you getting $30 jokes.
It's a true statement.
Okay. Well, you didn't pay anything, so you getting zero.
There you go.
All right, do the law stuff.
Now we have to do
the
our
law
job.
stuff. We got to do it. Everyone goes, you 7 minutes, you talk about nothing.
Exactly.
And then we do law stuff.
And you're welcome for that, by the way. It's legally screwed, people. Okay, this is a good one. They burned my 100-year-old family painting on video to punish me for calling CPS. What can I do? This is a good
one more time again.
They burned my 100-year-old family painting on video to punish me because I called CPS.
Who's they?
I think a family member. I'm going to tell you right now.
So a family member destroys my property.
Yes. Here, listen to this. My boyfriend's sister-in-law filmed herself and her husband setting my priceless family heirloom painting on fire, saying it was for calling CPS. Bitch. That's in there. The painting was over 100 years old and given to me by my grandfather, and I'm in Florida. This happened in Ohio. Can I sue or press charges without blowing my savings on a lawyer?
So where was the painting burned? Florida or Ohio?
Ohio.
Okay. So you have an Ohio case now.
Yes.
Good news. I'm licensed in Ohio.
Yes, he is.
Okay. One of my 18 states.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There are two different issues here.
Okay.
A criminal case and a civil case. People don't know the difference. Okay.
Please.
Real simple. One you go to jail for, could go to jail for. The other one you have to write a check for.
Got it.
Okay. Civil, checks, criminal,
And
lock them up.
And for the record, I don't want to do either of those.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Contact the police first because it is a crime.
Yes.
It's criminal mischief.
Mm-hmm.
There's also destruction of property, a couple other things. Depends on the intricacies of the law.
Got
But
it.
this would be over $1,000, so most likely it'd be a felony.
Okay.
Okay. So you got the crime aspect about it.
Got it.
And the court could set some kind of money, but you're not going to get that money back.
Not from that.
Okay. Second issue, you could sue them. Now, if the painting's worth a crap load, you can't go into small claims court because it's limited.
No.
So you're going to have to hire an attorney to run this by.
And the difference between small claims and a normal case is...
Small claims, it sounds small.
Got it.
It's in the name.
Got it.
What do you mean? It's big?
No.
It's small.
It's small.
Small. And normally small claims can be in county court, which is the baby courts, and it's fast. It's
Gotcha.
real quick.
Gotcha.
You don't get your attorney's fees normally, and it's real quick. You'll be in and out in less than 6 months.
Okay.
Regular court case could take forever because they allow you to do what they call discovery, which means you're allowed to ask information. You can get documents. You can do depositions, which means I can get you in a room and question you.
Ah, okay.
And unlike a criminal case, if the criminal case is still going on, they could plead the fifth.
Got it.
So they don't have to testify. That's how Cosby got away.
Ah.
Yeah. You know how Cosby walked, right?
Yeah. On technicalities, right?
Well, it wasn't technicality.
Okay.
It was an absolute wrong thing they did. So people are going to listen right now. Okay. All right. The Cosby case, real quick. Don't get yourself mad. I get it. He did bad stuff. There's depositions of him.
He was a horrific human being.
He said in deposition,
Yeah.
I gave him the drinks just to loosen him up.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the reason why that's bad is not because he's a terrible person for doing that or admitting to saying he did that. But here's what happened. Somebody sued him civilly, and he goes, I'm not testifying because you could use it in a criminal case against me. Well, Pennsylvania prosecutor said, no, we're not going to use it. So this civil case proceed. We're not going to file criminal charges against him.
So they said to him,
they said to the judge,
okay,
we're not doing it so he can testify in the civil case.
Okay.
So he's forced to give this deposition in the civil case.
Okay.
And they use it 2 years later in the criminal case to find him guilty.
You can't do that.
No. And the judge in this case, and here's the way this works. Judges sometimes, a lot of times, to avoid looking bad because they're elected officials.
Yes, they
will
are.
do something, will rule poorly. I had a case with Disney where they put in 200 photos of different characters doing weird stuff in the park. Just weird pictures.
Yeah.
And they couldn't put it in because it wasn't my client. And there's a whole rule on how you get photos in. And there's a whole bunch of requirements. Well, the judge said, I don't care. I'm not going to be the reason why this case got kicked out. So you're going to have to appeal me.
Gotcha. And
that's what the same thing happened in the OJ case where how they stormed his compound and everything else like this. Like Cosby, karma did to him what happened. That he served time, which he never would have served without this bad evidence.
Yeah.
And when I say bad evidence, he was forced to testify against himself. That's not acceptable. Should he have suffered greatly for his conduct? Yes. Yeah. But we have laws.
We do.
At any time it's not a technicality. Oh, he got off on a technicality. No, they ran elephants over the law here. I mean, literally tore it up, threw it away, did everything we're not supposed to do for the greater good.
No.
And anytime we talk greater good.
That's a slippery slope, man.
Woo, greater good is bad.
Yeah.
I mean, really bad. I've seen the greater good where police officers and judges and attorneys and everyone thinks I'm not right, but I'm morally right.
Yeah.
And
are you?
There are a lot of situations where you find out later, wow, that was a lie. Why did they do this? Like a lot of these, let's just say these SA cases on kids
Yeah.
where they rigged the evidence, where they got these kids to testify like whole people were lost their whole lives over lies, where they would take a doll and they'd give the kid a gift and they'd point to the doll and they'd hand the gift out. And it was horrific.
That's crazy.
Yeah. And I've been involved in my first job was criminal.
Mm-hmm.
And I saw it happen a lot. And they go, no, we're right. And I'm going, wait a minute, you guys just made all this up.
That's not right.
And you know what happened to them? Nothing.
Wow.
The people who do this bad conduct never have to serve a day in jail. For example, that prosecutor who said he wasn't going to do it, nothing happened to him.
No, you never heard of it again.
Nothing.
No.
Prosecutor didn't suffer for this. He
No,
got
he
up there and said that. The person who brought the evidence forward, knowing he shouldn't have, nothing. He got a lot of press and he probably got a great job because of it.
Wow.
Because even when you lose on a big case, you win.
Got it.
Everybody from the OJ case, millionaires.
Millionaires, yeah.
The big losers,
Mm-hmm.
the prosecution who lost an unlosable case, all made millions off it.
They did.
Nothing's like failing forward.